Hello. Today we are covering job analysis from human resources management, and this is the introductory class to job analysis. Now, to understand what job analysis is, we'll first have to go through what a job is, and then it's very clear that the analysis of a job is called job analysis. Now, let's first understand what a job is, then we'll understand what the analysis means here. So, going by the definition, a job is a group of work functions. Now, what is work functions? You say a job is a broader term which includes small tasks. Here, these tasks are named as work functions. So, the group of work functions is called a job. Now, these work functions ideally have and weigh in similarly. So they have the same responsibility A, and secondly, they have the same difficulty level. Now, this job can be performed by a single person as written here by one employee, or it can be performed by a group of similarly qualified employees. So the people doing this job should be qualified in a manner that their qualifications are very similar to each other. So that is pretty much it. That is a job. A job is a group function, a group of work functions which functions are at the same level in terms of difficulty and responsibility. And these functions or a job can be performed by one employee, or it can be performed by a group of similarly qualified employees. Now, what is job analysis? We've understood what a job is. Now, let's understand what analysis is. Here, analysis is a process that involves systematic exploration, study, and recording of a specific jobs. Okay, what are we doing here? We are studying all of the responsibilities, duties, skills, work environment, and ability requirement of a job. So uh, when we do a job analysis, what we are essentially doing is the study and exploration of a job's responsibilities. So what is this job going to entail? If one takes up this job, what is going to be their duties in this job, or what kind of skills does this job need, or what will be the work environment? Will it be an outdoor job? Will it be an indoor job? Will the work environment have higher temperatures, or would it have moderate temperatures? All of that is enlisted and done via job analysis. Okay, now that we've understood job analysis, we have to understand why exactly we're doing the job analysis. So what is the reason for me doing job analysis? Okay, two things can come out of job analysis. First, from job analysis, we move on to job description, and from job description, we also get job specification. So these are the two reasons we're doing job analysis. Now, what is job description? A job description will entail every information that we as the organization need to convey to the employee. So, I suppose I am hiring a salesperson. I will have to mention the title. Let's say the title is a sales associate, I will have to mention whether or not I am looking for experienced workers. So if I am not, I will mention 0 to 1 years of experience, which is fine by me. Or if I want someone who's experienced, I'm looking for a person who has 5 to 6 years of work experience. It will include location. So if I want this is a job which has to be in office, I will have to mention, okay, my office is in Delhi and you will have to be physically present in the office to do this job. All of those things, the purpose, the duties, the responsibilities, very important. What is the employee supposed to do? Is this a sales job in a store? Does it entail anything else? Everything that the employee needs to know is mentioned in a job description. Okay, but what is job specification then? Job specification specifically consists of the skills, the knowledge, the what you're required to bring to the table. We convey that to the employee here. So if I'm hiring for a sales position, I need you to have good communication skills. I need you to be a good communicator. I need you to be good with people because you have to interact. So interpersonal skills, those are two very important things that I need in this job. So I will be mentioning that under job specification. So that sums up the first lecture, job analysis. What is a job? What is job analysis? Why are we doing it? Outcomes of a job analysis means why are we doing it? We're doing it to make a job description. We're doing it to make or determine job specifications. Now, what is the importance of job analysis? We are doing job analysis, but what are the benefits that are coming out of it? So the first benefit is when you make a job or when you do job analysis, you have everything that is related to the job on table. So why exactly are we doing work redesign? We are doing work redesign job because job analysis can identify tasks and skills that could be consolidated to create a more efficient workflow. For example, I have two employees, but they're doing the same kind of work. Why don't I consolidate or merge the two works and make it or put it in one job only, so that that is more efficient and that is more cost saving for my company? Why would I not do that? So that is work redesigning. The process of job analysis helps structure the flow or the work or the functioning of an organization. Now, HRP. Okay. How does job analysis help HRP? Job analysis can help HR managers determine how many employees with a certain skill set will be required in future. What do we do in job HRP? We estimate the number of HR personnel we need, right? So job analysis will differentiate the skills and will help determine how many people or what kind of people are we looking for. So when we set aside a certain type of skill, we know that okay, this is the skill that we're going for. So the process again is very efficient. So job analysis helps HRP in that sort. Now, selection. Now that I know what kind of people I'm looking for, I have my options very narrowed down, and that will help the whole selection process for my company. Then training. Okay, I've hired one employee, but when I do the jobs analysis, there is one skill that should have been in this guy, but it's not. So what I do is I provide them training my employees who have skill gaps. I will bridge those gaps via training. How? By doing the analysis of the job. Performance appraisal. Of course, you set standards when you're doing the job description. You have your duties and your roles and responsibilities laid out, so you can directly match them. Okay, these are the responsibilities, are these happening? So performance appraisal gets very easier when you take the help from job analysis. Career planning, the career, because of the skills and the roles and responsibilities that are mentioned in the job description or you do while job analysis, my job becomes very easier because I can immediately decide whether or not I want to go for this career, or whether or not I want to do these things, or whether or not I possess these skills that this company requires. Now, job evaluation. Job evaluation in some ways is heavily surrounded by compensation and everything. So, directly proportional to what the duties are and what this employee, what skills this employee possesses, I can make a very structured compensation plan, or I can determine how should this guy's job be evaluated so that it's fair to both the employee and the employer. So yeah, those are the importances of job analysis. Let's review them. Work design, structured, HRP, health plan beforehand, selection, training, performance appraisal, career planning, and job evaluation. That is it from the introductory lecture. Thank you so much.